You've probably been told this since you were a kid. Stop cracking your knuckles, you'll get arthritis. It sounds believable. Joints crack, joints wear out, so people connect the two. But here's the mechanism. That popping sound isn't bones grinding. It's gas bubbles collapsing inside the fluid that lubricates your joints. When pressure changes, the bubbles form and snap. That's the noise. No bone damage, no cartilage breaking down. In fact, long-term studies followed people who cracked their knuckles for decades and found no higher rates of arthritis. If cracking caused arthritis, the loudest hands would be the most damaged. They aren't. So, is it completely harmless?